Listen up, if you're an existing NeoLife distributor or you're also promoting any other products online, I'm going to show you how I move my sales funnel bonus, monthly sales funnel bonus from $9, which is less than 4,000 Naira, to $505, 618 and beyond. You can see the equivalent in Naira. This December 11th, Saturday, I'm going to be giving you a training at the LCCI IKEJA on how you can do the same to your business and be a better person and achieve your dream in the year 2022. This training is not free. It's 30,000 Naira only, and it's going to be a all day training. The training starts 12 noon in the afternoon and end 5 p.m. in the afternoon. At the description section, you are going to see the course content of what we are going to do. Success awaits you. Hi, my name is Seyi Omotunde. I'm a certified Facebook discovery specialist. See you at the venue.